Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, creamy Tuscan shrimp gnocchi. The late morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Melting some butter and oil in a sauté pan. Add the garlic and the shallot. Then I add the red bell pepper and sauté them all. Gnocchis in a hot bath. Then I add the shrimp and give it a good sauté for a few minutes. The gnocchis are ready because they're floating. The gnocchi's all drained and ready to go. I add the gnocchi to the shrimp. Then I add the cream and give it a good stir on low. I add the Parmesan cheese and incorporate it. I add the baby spinach and stir to wilt. Here's the final dish in the pan. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.